Thank you for purchasing a harvest sweep kit from Leading Edge Industries. This video will include step-by-step instructions for installation on a Drago GT corn head. Lay out the harvest sweep chains with the curved portion of the paddle facing up. To determine whether a chain is a left or right chain, refer to the markings stamped on the top of the paddle. To begin assembling the chains and brushes, separate the left and right impact sweeps. Refer to the top of the sweeps for left or right markings. The straight edge of the impact sweep is always oriented toward the chain link. Assemble the three provided components using a 1/4 inch carriage bolt, front pusher plate, and left or right impact sweep. Be sure the steel pusher plate is installed with the arrow or harvest sweep emblem pointing up. Use the provided lock nuts to secure the impact pad and pusher plate to the chain. Begin disassembly by releasing tension in order to remove the chain. Next, the chain guides can be taken off in order to remove the stock deck plates. Next, remove the stock deck plates. Clear any remaining debris and install the harvest sweep deck plates. To set the deck plate minimum opening, use the mechanical adjustment to close the gap until you have achieved the desired spacing. For most, set the minimum opening at 1 inch. Be sure to measure for proper adjustment. Replace the chain tensioners and guides. Install both assembled chains, making sure the paddles are in a staggered formation. Retension the chains, making sure they are fiddle string tight with little chain deflection. Check to see that the tensioning springs are not worn out. If they need to be replaced, those can be ordered from your local Drago dealer. To ensure proper chain timing, carefully align the chains as shown in the diagram. The red marked sections highlight the specific 7 link sections that must line up with each other. When these red link sections are positioned to match the graphic, both chains will rotate in sync, keeping the paddles evenly spaced. This visual check is the easiest way to confirm correct timing, and it ensures the chains remain synchronized for a smooth, reliable operation. When installed, the brushes should be flat and tight against the deck plate with a small amount of bristle flex. Rotate the header by hand for 1 chain revolution to seat bristles and check for clearance issues. Particularly, check the tabs on the snout bracket at the top of the row unit for chain clearance. If clearance is needed, trim the tabs using an angle grinder.